Have you ever wondered how server virtualization works? How does it save customers money? How is Microsoft's approach to virtualization different from our competitors? Well, you're in luck because we answer virtually all these questions and more, where the marker meets the whiteboard in a segment we call Do Not Erase. Will and I are going to explain how to save money through infrastructure optimization. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so here we go. Let's take the data center as an example. What are the typical costs our customer sees? It breaks down like this: hardware, software, implementation, facilities, and labor.
Now, a key way that customers can drive down costs in the data center is virtualization. It directly or indirectly reduces costs across all of these bars. And I like bars that don't cost so much. In a typical setup, you have the hardware or server, the server operating system, and the applications. Now, virtualization technology sits here, between the hardware and the operating system. And this allows us to have multiple virtual servers. So with one physical machine, I can have lots of virtual machines doing several times the work, and I can increase or decrease the number of servers I need.
Right off the bat, we're reducing hardware and facilities costs. Don't need so many physical servers, don't need so much space or energy to run them. Pretty powerful stuff, right? Well, this virtualization technology is included in Windows Server 2008 R2. We built it right in.
Now, we have a key competitor in this space. VMware also offers virtualization. They have a strong foothold in the market, and a lot of our customers are using their technology. So, how are we different?
We have a range of virtualization solutions from the desktop to the data center, something we call Virtualization 360. Which means we can cater to our customers' specific business needs. But what brings it all together is the management of those virtual machines. And this is an area which really differentiates us from VMware.
Now, if you have lots of virtualized machines all over the place, managing and monitoring them can become a very difficult task. Here comes the good bit. Using Microsoft System Center, we can manage across physical and virtual machines and the applications themselves. And it's this management that really sets Microsoft apart. We can even manage across a VMware server and a physical server, something that VMware doesn't even offer.
This makes it much easier to run a virtual environment and helps reduce both labor and implementation costs.
And the story just keeps getting better. While VMware sells you a whole separate virtualization solution, we include virtualization in the server OS. So our customers already have the value of virtualization without having to pay additional costs. In fact, our virtualization offering can be as little as 1/6 the cost.
And this drives software costs down for our customers. Check it out. Microsoft Virtualization and System Center Management allows customers to drive down costs in all areas and increase their spend on new projects. And that's a fact you won't forget if you do not erase. And those are savings not to be sniffed at.
Oh.